Toyo catback exhaust system. We're about to get the coldest of cold starts. This car hasn't been started for 2 days now, so brace yourselves. Started your car or moved your car, especially in rainy weather, and your brakes are literally seized up basically, and your car just doesn't want to move forward. Yeah, that's kind of how mine were. Although these are aftermarket brake pads and discs, so I don't know if that's because they are slightly more aftermarket that they are literally like solidified. But yeah, you guys let me know, do the stock brakes do it as well? I can't actually remember. I'm pretty sure that they do though. This is the 2018 595 Abarth Turismo model with a Toyo catback exhaust system, and that is pretty much it. I just love showcasing these cars, and so many people who are like, oh my gosh, thank you for introducing me to this car. I had a gentleman comment on TikTok the other day saying if it wasn't for me showcasing this car all over social media, he probably would have never bought one. And obviously we all have different experiences of these cars. Some of us get them and they're all banged up and they break performance wise, you know, all sorts of issues, but some of us get them and we just are able to enjoy them. So I mean, I hope everybody gets the opportunity to enjoy the car, because they really are fun and unique. I mean, I would do the same for any car, to be very honest. I love this car, but if you had to give me another car to showcase, I would absolutely love it, because I'm just a petrol head. I love all things with wheels and engines, really.